at Subway. Okay, I'm at Subway. I don't know what to say. That actually rhymes.
Yeah.
That looks
We're
good.
gonna ask you what you want.
Can I have a lettuce?
And
Onion? Onion.
then
Barbecue sauce? That's it. For me. Say you come.
Chicken teriyaki and the tuna and a meatball
it's a combo, right?
and the steak.
Just say you come, boy.
Yeah.
What do you want?
Pardon?
What kind of sauce? What kind of fruits do you want on it?
Sauce, can I have a mayonnaise?
And
That's it.
combo it. Just say you combo it.
Oh, and it's combo with it. Can I have that cheese?
That cheese.
Oh, okay. That. Yeah. Thank you.
Say you combo it.
And I combo it. She can't hear me.
Oh god. Just say it to the cash register.
Excuse me?
Look at all those sandwiches.
We're eating all of it and looking.
Look at the tomatoes, look at the cucumber, and I'm ending the video with this guy.